Want to grow your email list? Wix makes it easy to add a subscribe form. First, log into your Wix account and access your site's editor. Then, go to the Add panel, typically found on the left side. Navigate to Contact, and then select either Email Signup Form or Subscribe Form. Drag and drop the form onto your desired location on your page, such as your home page, footer, or even a pop-up. Now you've got the basics in place. Make the form your own using the Design panel to adjust colors, fonts, and the overall layout to match your site's branding. Add essential fields like name, email, and a consent checkbox to comply with GDPR. Next, connect the form to Wix Ascend, Wix's native email marketing tool, to manage your subscriber list. Set up automations, such as sending a welcome email upon sign-up. For more advanced workflows, integrate with third-party tools like MailChimp or Klaviyo via the Wix App Market. Test your form, ensure it's mobile responsive, and then publish your site to start collecting emails.